How to make A4 size in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can make a A4 size or A4 format paper or a design on a Canva. It is very easy and simple. All you have to do is to go to canva.com, sign up your account, and here we have the search bar or the create a design. You can go ahead on the search bar and type only A4 and it will let you see here the templates: A4 size page blank, resume, and documents. For example, we can go ahead and create a template, or I'm going to see here the templates that we have on the A4 section. As you can see here, we have some A4 pages or designs, or you can simply go ahead to create a design. Here on the search, I'm going to type only A4 and you will see here A4 document. We have a portrait, a landscape type, or a letter. You can go ahead and select one of these templates and you will have the exact format of A4. For example, I'm going to make this a color and add some elements on it. Let's go ahead and add some elements, photos, and we have a A4 format. That was very easy. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you soon on the next one.